Bonjour and welcome back to our channel. If you're dreaming of exploring the enchanting cities and picturesque landscapes of Europe, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of obtaining a Schengen visit visa from Dubai. Let's dive in. Before we get started, let's quickly go over the essential documents you'll need for your Schengen visit visa application. First and foremost, you'll need a valid passport with at least 6 months of validity from the date of entry into the Schengen area. Make sure your passport has enough blank pages for visa stamping. Next, you'll need to fill out the Schengen visa application form. You can do this online or by visiting the website of the embassy or consulate of the country you intend to visit. Take your time to fill out the application form accurately and double-check your entries before submission. Any errors could cause delays or even lead to rejection. Once you've completed the application form, it's time to gather the following additional documents. Proof of travel insurance covering the duration of your stay in the Schengen area. Make sure it provides adequate coverage for medical emergencies and repatriation. Flight reservation or itinerary showing your round-trip travel dates and details. Proof of accommodation, such as hotel bookings, a rental agreement, or an invitation letter from your host in the Schengen country. Evidence of financial means, such as bank statements, to demonstrate your ability to cover your expenses during the visit. A recent passport-sized photograph meeting the specific requirements set by the embassy or consulate. Once you've gathered all the necessary documents, you can proceed to submit your application. Most Schengen countries require applicants to schedule an appointment at the embassy or consulate. Visa processing times may vary, so it's advisable to apply well in advance of your intended travel dates. Be patient and wait for the embassy or consulate to inform you of the visa decision. If your visa is approved, you'll receive a visa sticker on your passport. Make sure to review the visa details for accuracy before you travel. And there you have it. You're now ready to embark on your European adventure. Remember to pack accordingly, check the weather forecasts, and don't forget your travel essentials. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and destination guides. Bon voyage and enjoy your visit to beautiful Europe.